Low beams. Wow. That is extremely bright. High beams. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel, Hill Creek Outdoors. Today we got the 2022 Polaris Ranger XP 1000 Crew Cab Edition, and we're going to be doing an install today for an upgrade to the Ranger, right? And this is an upgrade that I really didn't know if I was going to do or not, but, you know, the more I thought about it, I said, why not bring this install to you guys so it gives you the, you know, how easy of an install and how good of an upgrade it actually is. But what we're going to be doing is adding LED headlights to the Polaris Ranger. It does not come with LED headlights from the factory. It was an upcharge, and we didn't feel we needed to do that at the time. Now, just so you know, the halogen headlights that are on the Polaris, they're really good headlights, right? So the low beams and high beams, they do an outstanding job, give you plenty of visibility. You're not going to have any issues with them, but for a reasonable price, you can upgrade these to the LED headlights, and it actually is going to be consistent with our light bar and everything else that's on the Polaris Ranger. We have LEDs everywhere else, so why not go ahead and upgrade this? So the ones we're going to be using, this is actually D-Level Engineering, and I got these off Amazon. I'll throw the link to these in the description. These weren't sent to us, bought these outright, just so we could show it to you. But it is a LED light kit. Basically, you just plug and play. Pretty simple, and they give extremely good brightness according to the package. So we'll show that off later here in the video. But it says it's a 6500K. So I think that's pretty good. And operating life, it says 30,000 hours. I think this will probably be the last set of headlights that we put in it, but let's go ahead and get into the video. We appreciate you guys coming back. Let's go. First thing first, we're going to go ahead and take all this off. It is extremely cold outside. We have a huge snowstorm coming tonight, and we actually had it snow a couple days ago, and we can't get up and down our driveway except for with the Sportsman 400 and the Polaris Ranger XP 1000. As you guys know, we have a half-mile long driveway with a, I don't know, about a 300 feet elevation change. So you can't really get up and down it with our vehicles. So that's why we are inside today with the heat. Let's go ahead and put this off the side. We're going to take this off as well, give us good access to the headlights. So it's really simple. You seen you pop them off for that. These just go both ways, and it gives you really good access to everything. How you get to your plug and play, your pulse bar. Check out some of those videos. This is where you're going to fill up your windshield washer fluid, your coolant, and this is where we installed the turn signal kit. You have your horn right here that we put in, but also all this ability to hook up to your pulse bar. So where we're going to actually get close to the headlights is going to be, we'll slip back here, we'll pop it off, we'll go on the same side, twist it off, and we'll pull them out and put the new ones in. All right, so the location of these are down in here. You can see the one back there. It's not focusing, but then on the driver's side, you're going to have one right there. And all they do is twist out, and then there's a plug and play. While we're in here, just make sure you're checking your fluids and stuff too. Let's go ahead and move our light over here. Now, when you're doing this, the driver's side is going to be different, okay? The driver's side, you have to turn to the right to actually loosen it. So it's opposite of what you've been taught your entire life. So just throw that all out the window when you're doing this, okay? It's not righty-tighty, lefty-loosey as normal. On the driver's side, you're going to turn it to the right to actually loosen it, okay? On the passenger side, it's normal. Turn it to the left to loosen it. Driver's side, turn it to the right to loosen it. Okay, but you're going to want to take this snap off, right? This plug and play. Now, when you're doing this, you're going to look for a little tab, and I'll show you here in a minute. There, I got that. Now I turn to the left, or I'm sorry, to the right. Turn to the right, and we're going to pull it out. So there's the halogen. Let me show you what this looks like here. This little. So here is your plug and play snap. So what you're going to do, it goes in just like this. Do you hear that snapping? This right here, this is that little tab you're gonna feel for. You're gonna push that down and it pulls right out. Once again, push that down and it pulls right out. And that's what we're gonna hook into with the new LEDs. So let's go ahead and unbox those and look at the difference between the halogens and the LEDs. So here we go. Once again, these are our halogen lights. Put these here. These are Sylvanias. See if I can get you that part number, just in case you wanna use the halogens or maybe you're gonna replace them. So there's that. Let's open up this box here. Once again, this will all be in the description. That's what it is. When you open this up, you're obviously gonna get instructions. It'll tell you how to do everything. In case you need a little guide. Has a little Allen, not sure what that's for. Some more instructions there. And then here is your actual light compared to your halogen. Okay, so it's a little bit bigger assembly on the back side, but it does have a nice waterproof seal there, which the halogen, it's kind of inset or egress there a little bit. So yeah, that's all there is to it. I see where this Allen is now. So what you're gonna do, if you put it in there, you could probably put this Allen in here and you could rotate this depending on where you want it to, you know, height-wise and things of that nature. So we're gonna test it out just how it is out of the box. Let's go ahead and install this. They're both the same and it's gonna be pretty quick and simple. We'll just snap that right onto the plug and play there. And start with the driver's side. Now you could hook this up right here first before you put it in there, since it does have a little extra wire there. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And you just snap it in. Snaps right in. You're gonna take this and you're gonna stick this right in the hole. And let's see if I can get it's all by feel really. Stick it in there. And we're gonna kind of seat it in. And remember, you're gonna go opposite. I want to show you the difference between the two and what it looks like. Now this is with the lights off. We're in the middle of the day, but this is in the garage. So here we go, low beams. So you can see the difference in the halogen and the LED. High beams, they're on the same playing field, so we don't have to adjust them height-wise. According to this, we'll take a look at it once it's dark outside. But there you go, there's the difference. It looks like a pretty good spread pattern on both of them, right? But here's a front view. You know, it gives a much crisper look on the right side where the LED is compared to the halogen. Yeah. So let's go ahead and throw the other side in and then we'll take a look at it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing with the passenger side now. So I'm gonna take this halogen back out so you guys can see how that works. Unsnapped it, there it is. Gets pretty hot too, let me tell you, from just having it on that little bit. All right, so now we're gonna take the new LED. We'll take this plug and play. And we're going to snap it right in like this. Hopefully you guys can see this. Trying to bring you in close here. We're going to take this new LED, slip it in that hole. It went in. We're going to turn it till it tightens. And that should be it. So here we go. Both LED lights. There you go. Nice crisp look. You can see how nice and wide that is. Let's bring it back just a little bit here. Nice and wide. Okay. Turn your brights on. Pretty level. You want to make sure they're level. Nice and smooth transition. Let's take you up front. Oh, we'll show you how it actually blends in with the LED bar now. See, so now with your LED bar, you can bring that actually a little bit lower, get you good ground clearance, kind of like a fog light, and you are good. So I'll turn the LED bar on and let's show you what it looks like from the front. Now it's all consistent. Now let's go ahead and take it for a ride. Once it gets dark, it'll get dark a lot faster for you guys, and we'll bring you back in here and wrap this video up. So we're finally down here. It's dark outside. We're down by the bridge, actually. We just got back from a hockey game, and it's finally dark enough. And here's the new LED lights on the Polaris Ranger. Low beams. Wow. That is extremely bright. High beams. I mean, look at that, guys. The coverage is extremely wide. Go back to the low beams. And let's check out with the actual light bar. I mean, that is some pretty good light coverage. Let's look at the lights from the front here. They look really nice. A nice white LED. Let's go ahead and drive it up the driveway. Look at that, going up the driveway. We'll turn the high beams on here. I mean, look at that, guys. Extremely bright. I don't think we're gonna have to worry about this. This is definitely a major upgrade. That now, looking at the difference compared to the halogens, I should have done a long time ago for the price. So with that being said, thanks for coming back to the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time here on Hill Creek Outdoors, we'll see you.